सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 352, verse 12. इति वार्तिककारेण चित्सादृश्यं विवक्षितम् ब्रह्मचित्फलयोर्भेदः साहस्र्यां विश्रुतो यतः. In this Kutastha Deepa Prakaranam, we are seeing the difference between Kutastha Chaitanyam and Chidabhasa, the reflected consciousness. To know their difference through their function only, we can come to know how they are different. Chidabhasa, the reflected consciousness, it pervades the thought vritti. Chidabhasa sahita vritti pervades the object and it reveals the object and it gives the jnanam of that object. Vishaya jnanam. Every specific knowledge, every vishesha jnanam comes only after pramana operation. Every vishaya jnanam is called vishesha jnanam. Jasmine flower knowledge is a specific knowledge. Vishesha means specific. Vishesha jnanam. White snow, Vishesha jnanam. White horse, Vishesha jnanam. Like that, each object, whenever I get the knowledge by pramana operation, pramana, shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha, means eyes, either ears or nose, gandha, jnanam, shabda, jnanam, rupa, jnanam, sparsha, jnanam, rasa, jnanam, gandha, jnanam. All jnanams, shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha, have corresponding 5 objects outside. Shabda vishaya, rupa vishaya, gandha vishaya, sparsha vishaya, rasa vishaya, taste. Corresponding vishayas, once I know, it is called vishesha jnanam. This vishesha jnanam coming through pramana operation. Operation in the sense utilization. Using the pramana. Using the pramanam, indriyam, and the vritti in the buddhi, that vritti associated with Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa sahita vritti pramana janya vishaya jnanam, called prama. That is called knowledge. Once the Chidabhasa reveals the object and it does its job and withdraws and it gives the knowledge. Chidabhasa cannot know the flower. I know the flower. Chit knows the flower. I know there is a jasmine flower. That jasmine flower or pot knowledge. Pot knowledge is given by Chidabhasa. The knowledge of the pot knowledge revealed by the Chit. Knowledge of the pot revealed by the Chidabhasa. Because once you know this is the pot, ignorance of the pot has gone. So the pot ignorance is removed by Chidabhasa. Vritti Sahita Chidabhasa Pramana Janya Ghata Visesha Jnanam. Chidabhasa Sahita Vritti Pramana Sahita Pramana Janya Ghata Jnanam. So Chidabhasa reveals the pot. Now pot is there. I have pot knowledge. Pot is their first statement, revealed by Chidabhasa. I know the pot also revealed by Chidabhasa. Pot revealed by the Chidabhasa only. Pot ignorance is removed by Chidabhasa. Then Chit says, I know that I know the pot. Pot knowledge is revealed by Chit. Knowledge of the pot known to the Chit. Knownness of the pot is known to the Chit. Ghata jnanasya jnanam. Ghatam enakku theriyum angara jnanam. Ghatam enakku theriyum angara jnanam. The knowledge of the pot knowledge. The knowledge of the pot. I know that I know the pot. I know that I know the pot. Rendu jnanam irukku. I know that I know the pot. I know the pot is revealed by Chidabhasa. I know that I know the pot is revealed by Chit only. Konjam kashtam. I heard the last class fully what I said today. I was thinking, pavam students, how much I was troubling them really. Whole class I heard. Really, subject is tough, what to do? No other way. Even in one class or two classes, three classes, if you don't understand also, it doesn't matter. You may understand little. Clarity comes later. Okay? Therefore, after finishing this topic, what Vidyaranya did, a diversion topic he brought. Sureshwaracharya and Shankaracharyas, they differ each other, Purvapakshi said. What is that? Vartikakara Sureshwaracharya looks at Chidabhasa and Samvit Chit, both are same. His guru Shankaracharya looks at Chidabhasa and Chit are different. Vidyaranya is Shankaracharya's party. Purvapakshi is attacking Vidyaranya. Your guru's party, his Shishya is talking about their identity. Then Vidyaranya said, Shishya never go against the teacher's teaching. You have to understand properly what Sureshwaracharya said in his Vartikam of Brihadaranyaka. Chidabhasa and Chit are figuratively similar. Chidabhasa is an image. Your reflected face and your original face are one and the same. Your reflected face in the mirror and your original face. I have two faces, you say. Both are one and the same. I have two faces. Image face is not real. Image face is only an image. Original face is original. Image is image. Image can never be original. Original can never be image. What was the example we saw in the last class? Photograph. Look at me, where am I in that photograph? And you saw in some photographs and all, when they put so-and-so president, so-and-so prime minister, and the five people round podva. Round, but ivarda nee purinchukano. Ivarda avaru. Soyan Devadattaha. What? Soyan Devadattaha. Ivareda avaru. Similar to that original person, but not factually the same. Similarity is different, identity is different. Similarity means a face like a moon, similarity. Similarity. Your face is not a moon, but your face is like a moon. Face is not moon. Face is like a moon. Like that, here also, Chidabhasa is like Chit, figuratively. That is the intention of Shankaracharya. Basically, both are different. One is time-bound. Chidabhasa is only time-bound. For some time it is there, no longevity for that. Chit has got longevity, always there, Chit. But Chidabhasa is temporary, it doesn't have longevity. Therefore, there is a difference. Up to here, we saw in the last class. So, in their function also they are different. Their duration of existence is also there is a difference. Longevity or duration of existence. It has got a duration of time, Chidabhasa. But Chit doesn't have any duration. So these are the two differences. Now, with this, that topic is over, diversion topic is over. Now we come to our original topic again. What is that? Kutastha Chidabhasa Vedaha. We will enter into the 13th shloka, page 353. आभास उदितस्तस्मात् ज्ञातव्यं जनयेद्घटे तत्पुनर्ब्रह्मणा भास्यम् अज्ञातत्वमदेव हि. Now he is consolidating the topic, whatever you have seen until now, that is rising Chidabhasa, Ghata Vritti, Ghatakara Vritti Chidabhasa, Ghate Janayet, Jnatatvam Janayet. Already we saw this same topic. He is consolidating now. Until now what we have completed, he is telling. Tasmat, therefore means wherefore. Since Chidabhasa is bringing the knownness in the pot, Jnatatvam, it is generating the Jnatatvam of the pot. How? Uditaha abhasaha. That Jnatatvam comes because of the rise of abhasa. Because of the rise of abhasa. One more important point you have to remember. Antakarana vritti, ahamkara vritti, always Chidabhasa sahitam only. Aham, nan, angara vritti, adi kuda vritti da. That is called antakarana vritti. That is also along with Chidabhasa only. We are not talking about antakarana vritti sahita Chidabhasa now. We are talking about Ghata Vyapta Vritti Chidabhasa. Vritti Sahita Ghata Vyapta Chidabhasa. That Chidabhasa which is going outside. We are talking, not Antakarana Chidabhasa. Clear? Like lighthouse, light is there inside. The beam of lights are coming out. Have you seen the lighthouse? And the beam of lights are coming from the holes. That is like a Chidabhasa. Angenna theriyadhu, inga theriyamaattingiradhe. Kannukku theriyadhu. How do you know Chidabhasa pervades? Because of Chidabhasa pervading only I come to know the pot. If I close the eyes, Chidabhasa cannot pervade, Kann is not functioning. That's why I am not able to know the pot. Since I am knowing the pot, Chidabhasa pervaded. You have to understand. Therefore he says, Udita abhasaha. Udita abhasa. It has arisen. Tasmat. What it does? Ghate jnatatvam ghate janayet. It generates. Janayet means it generates. Janayet, generate, correct irukku paadungo. Sanskritam and English words. English also maybe from Sanskritam only it came. Generate, janayet. Chidabhasa generates the knownness. Previously unknownness was there. I don't know the part. Unknownness adjective was there. The unknownness adjective is replaced by the knownness. By Chidabhasa. Udita Chidabhasa Ghate Jnatatvam Janayat. It generates the knownness in the pot. It generates the knownness in the pot. Chidabhasa. Kevala Chidabhasa? Only Chidabhasa generated? No, the vritti, Ghata vritti and Pramana, all of them together generates the knownness of the pot. Then Tat Punaha, the same knownness of the pot, Tat Punaha, Tat Punaha Brahmana Bhasyam. Gnata Gnantatvam. Gnata Gnatatvam. Sanskritam, Angilla words. You have to say English. No knowledge of the knownness. Gnata Gnatatvam. So Vidyaranya puts in a different words. Tat Punaha means the knownness of the pot. Tatu means the knownness of the pot. The knownness of the pot generated by whom? Chidabhasa. The knownness of the pot is generated by the Chidabhasa. That knownness, Tat Punaha, again, what it does? Brahmana Bhasyam. It is illumined by Brahman. Brahmana Bhasyam means illumined by Brahman. Illumined by Brahman means don't see torchlight. Brahman is putting torchlight and illumining. Illumined by Brahman means what here? I know the pot. Chidabhasa's job generated the pot knowledge. I know the pot. I am using only Ghata. Why Acharya using the Ghata only? Ghata means pot. I know the pot. And I know that I know the pot. Gnata Gnatatvam. Gnata, I know the pot. Gnatatvam, I know. Gnata Gnatatvam means I know the pot that I know. I know that I know the pot. How many knows are there? Only one Swamini. Don't say this knows. I know the pot. I know that I know the pot. K-N-O-W. Rundu knows irukka. Tat Punaha Brahmana Bhasyam. What is that? How is it? Gnatatvam. Agnatatvavat. Previously, I don't know the pot. Unknownness of the pot, I know. எனக்கு பாட் தெரியாதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். எப்போ Chidabhasa, before it is pervading the pot, before eyes are seeing, I don't know the pot. Look like that side. I don't know that I don't know the pot. I know that I don't know the pot. Now, I know the pot. Tat Punaha Brahmana Gnatatvam Bhasyam. Tat Punaha Brahmana Bhasyam. Gnata Gnatatvam. This is just like Agnata Gnatattvavat. Previously, I don't know. I know, I don't know. Previously. Agnatattavadeva. Agnatattvavat. Previously, I know that I don't know. Adimadri ippudu I know that I know. Previously, I know that I don't know. Now, I know that I know. I'll use two sentences again. I know, I don't know. First word is what? I know. Second word is what? I don't know. Now, I know that I know. In these two statements, one is common. First word, I know is common. I know that I don't know. I know that I know. That I know absence of part, I don't know. That part, I know the presence of part. I know that is by Brahmana. Enough? Enough. Now Vidyaranya says, this and all about external objects. Now come to your body. Whenever you talk about I know that, I don't know that, by Chit Brahma you are telling. When it comes to the body, mind complex level, we call that Brahma Chit as Kutasthaha. All that. When it is Veshti level, we call it as Brahman. When it comes to Samashti level, it is called Brahman. When it comes to the Veshti level, it is called Kutasthaha. Now, that topic we are going to enter. Verse 14. Now I am a little bit satisfied. I hope I have communicated something for you. You are grasping. Dhivritya bhasa kumbhanam samuho bhasyate chidam kumbhamatra phalattvastham eka abhasata sphuret. Still he is not entering that topic. After completing this shloka only he comes there. Further he clarifies. What is that? Again Chidabhasa Chit function. Slight difference is there. Three are illumined by Chit. One is illumined by Chidabhasa. That's what he says. Dhi vritti abhasa kumbhanam chida bhasyate. Chida by Brahma Chaitanyam. Brahmameva Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanyam. Chida, Sakshi Chaitanyam or Brahma Chaitanyam or Kotastha Chaitanyam. Chida. What are all bhasyate? What are all illumined? Number one, Kumbha Vritti, Chidabhasa, Gnatata, Agnatata. All these are Samuha, this whole Samuha. Kumbha, the pot, Kumbha Vritti, Ghata Vritti. Kumbha means Ghata. Ghata means pot. Okay. Pot means Ghata, Ghata means Kumbha, Kumbha means pot. Okay. See the Ghatam, the one who plays Ghatam. He doesn't know this knowledge. Daily puts Ghatam in his hand, playing Ghatam, but he never come to know what is that Ghatam. We are Vedanta, we are using such a big Ghatam he is having. But I know. Just by holding big Ghata, you won't get Ghata Gnanam. Ghata Vritti Gnanam, Ghata Chidabhasa. You have to work here. Just like by just wearing a stethoscope. Stethoscope, if you wear, can you become a doctor? You cannot become a doctor. Kumbha, the Ghata and Kumbha Vritti, that means Ghata Vritti. Then Gnatata and Agnatata. All these three are revealed by Chida Bhasyate. The Samuha. Samuha means a group of these three. Group means pot. That means pot, Vritti also revealed by Chit only. Chidabhasa is also revealed by Chit only. Knownness and unknownness also. Knownness of the pot and unknownness of the pot. Knownness of the pot, unknownness of the pot. These are all known to only Chit, Chida, by Chit alone. Whereas Chidabhasa Kumbha Matra Phalatvat. Chidabhasa reveals only Kumbham. It reveals the only pot. Kumbhamatra phalatvat eka abhasataha spuret. Ekaha. Only pot is revealed by eka abhasa. Abhasena. Abhasataha means because of chidabhasa ekamatra spuret. Ekamatra means ghatam only is known by the pot, by the chidabhasa. Ghatam alone is known by the chidabhasa, but ghata vritti, chidabhasa and jnatattvam, ajnatattvam all are revealed by chit. Understand? So chidabhasa reveals ghata matra, chit reveals ghata vritti, kumbha vritti, chidabhasa and knownness and unknownness. These are all done by chit only. So therefore there is a difference, lot of difference between chit and chidabhasa. So chidabhasa has got only smaller range. That means it has got limited pervasion. Limited pervasion. But Sakshi has got a wider field of illumination. Chidabhasa illumines only the pot. But Sakshi Chaitanyam illumines wider field of illumination. Kumbhavritti, Chidabhasa, Gnatata and Agnatata. The whole thing is illumined by Chit alone. Here Acharya is using phalam because Vartikakara used the word phala. That's why Acharya also using phala means prameyaha or object of illumination. Phala means prameyaha or object of illumination. Therefore we should know their difference. Their difference means Sakshi Chaitanyam or Kutastha Chaitanyam and Chidabhasa. Now you have to say Vidyaranya. Yes, Vidyaranya Swami, we know. Can you say that to Vidyaranya boldly? Yes, we know. Thank you, and thank you. Now 15. Chaitanyam Vigunam Kumbhe Gnatatvena Spuratyataha Anyenu Vyavasayakyam Ahure Tadyatoditam Kumbhe Digunam Chaitanyam. Kumbhe, on the pot now there are two Chaitanyams. Dvigunam Chaitanyam. There are two Chaitanyams. One is Chit Chaitanyam, second one is Abhasa Chaitanyam. I know the pot because of Chit, Chidabhasa. I know that I know the pot because of Chit. Therefore two Chaitanyams are there, pervading the pot. Dvigunam Chaitanyam. Kumbhe. Upon the pot there are two Chaitanyams. Purila. Rendu Chaitanyam engi irukana. Go to our Kudya Surya Prakasha. Example, first, second slokas, what example he gave? Surya Prakasha on the wall. Again patch of light on the wall. Pratibimba Surya Prakasha. Are there two Surya Prakasha or not? Two Surya Prakashas are there. One is dominant, one is not dominant. One is dominant, one is dormant. Do you remember those words? Samanya Surya Prakasha is dormant. Pratibimba Surya Prakasha is dominant. There are two Surya Prakashams are there or not? Irukkan sollungo. Like a baby, when he is playing with parents, whatever baby says, Parents have to agree. Adi madri, I am asking you, are there two Surya Prakashams or not? Yes. Like that, here also, one Samanya Chaitanyam, one Vishesha Chaitanyam. Vishesha Chaitanyam through Chidabhasa, Samanya Chaitanyam through the Chit, Dvigunam Chaitanyam Kumbhe. Ataha Gnatatvena Spurati. Therefore, you come to know there is a pot and I got a pot knowledge and I know the pot. Gnatatvena Spuret. Gnatatvena Spuret means the pot knowledge is illumined. The pot knowledge is illumined. First knowledge. The pot knowledge is illumined because of two Chaitanyams. Chidabhasa Chaitanyam and Sakshi Chaitanyam or Kotastha Chaitanyam. What they call, Anye, the Tarkikas call this Anuvyavasayakyam. The second Gnatatvam. I know that I know the pot, they call it as Anuvyavasaya. Tarkikas, logicians, call this as Anuvyavasaya. When I express a twofold consciousnesses. Dvigunam Chaitanya means English la twofold consciousnesses. One is general consciousness, another is specific consciousness. General consciousness is pot is there, pot knowledge is there, pot pervading consciousness, pot knowledge consciousness. Pot knowledge consciousness. I know the pot. Do you know the pot or not? Do you know the pot? That is called consciousness. I am conscious of the pot. I know that I am conscious of the pot. Adi rendavathu. So that is called Anuvyavasaya. Knownness, knowledge of knownness. Eppadi sollalam. Knowledge of knownness. Knownness is known to me. Ella words jumbling, that's all. Knownness is known to me. I know my son. I know that I know my son. Son daughter sonna nanna puriyum. I know my son. I know my daughter. I know that I know my son. I know that I know my daughter. I am self-consciousness. I am self-consciousness. I am self-consciousness. I know that I know. I know that I know is called self-consciousness. எனக்கு தெரியுமா எனக்கு தெரியும். எனக்கு தெரியும் உனக்கு தெரியுமா? எனக்கு தெரியுமா உனக்கு தெரியுமா? உனக்கு தெரியுமா? எனக்கு தெரியுமனி எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். அப்படி சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ? எனக்கு தெரியுமனி எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். அந்த எனக்கு தானது தான் செல்ஃப் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். அனுவ்யவசாய. Why Tarkika? Anye Tarkikas called it as an Anuvyavasaya. Vyavasaya means process. Now Acharya wants to say through this shloka, this Chidabhasa pervading the pot, I know the pot, knowledge coming, a process. Chidabhasa pervasion is a process. Generation of knowledge, generating the pot knowledge. Previous shloka we saw Chidabhasa generates, jayate. Generating the knowledge of the pot is a process. Vyavasaya. The knowledge of the pot is a process. Vyavasaya. Generating the pot knowledge is Vyavasaya. Knownness of the pot, knowing the knownness is called Anuvyavasaya. If you say like that, it is coming under second Vyavasayam. Second Vyavasayam, not farming and all. Here Vyavasaya means what? Process. First Vyavasaya, second Vyavasaya. First Vyavasaya, Chidabhasa Parveshan, I know the pot. Second Vyavasaya is called Anuvyavasaya. Vyavasaya Anu Vyavasaya, second process. we don't accept the second one as process. First one is process, I accept. Vidyaranya want to say, first one is Chidabhasa Parveshan generating the pot knowledge is a process. But Anuvyavasaya is not a process. If it is a process, Anuvyavasaya has to be known by another Anuvyavasaya, infinite regression comes, Anavastha dosha comes. I know that I know the pot. I know that I know the pot. Who knows? Another Anuvyavasaya. I know that I know the pot. I know that I know the pot. இப்படி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால process கிடையாது. The moment pot knowledge is generated, the knownness of the knowledge is known. That's all. Immediately happens. It's not a process. It is not a process. Therefore, we don't accept Tarkika's Anuvyavasaya process type of knowledge. We don't accept. Pot knowledge is generated by Chidabhasa. Afterwards, how many minutes for you it takes? What process is there? Tell me. I know my son through Chakshut Pramana, Vritti Pramana, Chidabhasa Pramana Dvara. Okay? Process. I know that I know my son. How much time it takes? What process you require? You require any process? You don't require any process. It won't take much time at all. The moment the pot knowledge is generated, the knownness of the pot is known to me. Automatically it takes place. It won't take much time. Or do you know that you are in the class? You have the knowledge that you are in the class. I know what? Panchadashi. I know that I know Panchadashi. I know that I know Panchadashi. How much time it takes? What process? No process. Therefore, Anuvyavasayakhyam ahuhu etat yatha uditam. Etat yatha uditam. Knownness of the pot. Knownness means what? I know that I know the pot. That is called knownness. I know that I know the pot. Yatha uditam, just as it rises. It's not a process. It is not a process. With what process it happened? No process at all. No vritti, no chidabhasa, nothing for knownness. Unknownness, I don't know the pot. I don't know so many things. I don't know so many things. What process happened? I don't know so many things. What process happened? Nothing. No process. Similarly, I know that I know also processless. Okay? That's all. Yatha. Etat means Jnanantaram. Ahuhu. They say it is a Jnanantaram. It's a different knowledge. Knownness of the knowledge, I know that I know is a different knowledge, they say. It is a different knowledge. Jnanantaram. Ahuhu. Jnanantaram ahuhu le prahuhu. Yatha uditam. Yatha uditam means here not rising. Yathodhitam means as said before. As said before. When you talk about the pot knowledge, it is Chidabhasa. When you talk about the knowledge, when you talk about the knowledge about the knowledge, when you talk about the knowledge, it is Chidabhasa. When you talk about the knowledge of the knowledge, it is Chit. Okay. When you talk about the pot knowledge, it refers to Chidabhasa. When you talk about the pot knowledge of the pot knowledge, it refers to Chit. That is the meaning. So, etat means Ghata Jnana Jnanam. Ghata Jnana Jnanam. Gnatata Jnanam. Jnatata jnanam. Ghatagnyana jnanam. That is called knowledge. Ghatagnyana jnanam. How do you know Ghataha? How do you know Ghatagnyanam? That is through Chidabhasa. How do you know Ghatagnyana jnanam? Ghatagnyana jnanam. Ghatagnyana jnanam. Knowledge about the pot knowledge. Knowledge about the knowledge of the pot. Self-evident. It is self-evident. I know that. So all the known objects, finally, they are pervading the two Chaitanyams. All the time two Chaitanyams are there. Two Chaitanyams at the time of experience, we have to say. At the time of experience, two Chaitanyams are there. At the time of experience, there are two Chaitanyams. Okay, now we'll go to the next shloka, 16. Ghato yamitya bhuktihi abhasasya prasadataha Vijñāto ghatayityuktihi Brahmanugrahato bhavet. Now here only conclusion. Okay. The conclusion is from 4 to 16, one topic. 4th sloka to 16 slokas. Up to 16, first topic. From 17 only, next topic is going to come. Now he says, I am Ghataha, within inverted commas. You have to put in inverted commas. I am Ghataha, this pot. This is a pot. I am Ghataha. Iti asau uktihi. Ityasa uktihi is there. Asau uktihi. This statement. Uktihi means statement. This is a pot. This statement uktihi abhasasya prasadatah, by the anugraham of abhasa, by the blessing of chidabhasa. This is a part. This is because of the blessing of chidabhasa. When I show, all of you see the pot. What is this? This is a pot. This knowledge resin in the mind because of Chidabhasa. Chidabhasasya prasadataha, by the blessing, by the anugraham of Chidabhasa. Then Vijñāto ghataha. This pot is known. This pot is known. Vijñāto ghataha. Iti Vijñāto ghataha, again within inverted commas. Vijñāto ghataha iti. This is a pot, you said, all of you. Now the next statement, pot is known. Pot is known. Is a known pot or unknown pot? Known pot. Vijñātam ghataha. Ghataha is pumlinga, therefore Vijñātaha ghataha. Vijñātaha ghataha. Iti uktihi. You all said uktihi, not yuktihi. Iti plus uktihi. Iti plus uktihi. Ityuktihi. Sandhi. Iti uktihi. Brahmanugrahato bhavet. By Brahma anugraham only it happens. Because of Chaitanyam, consciousness. Brahma Chaitanya anugrahena bhavet. Anugrahataha. Because of Brahma anugraha, by the blessing of, blessing and don't take blessing and, by the presence of Brahman. Presence of Brahman bhavet. That knowledge happens. This part is known. Knowledge takes place because of Brahman. Next. Either you think inside Uktihi or say outside. Both. Abhasa Brahmani Dehat बहिर्यद्वद् विवेचिते तद्वदाभासकूटस्थौ विविच्येतां वपुष्वपि. Now the topic, we are entering second topic. Yadvat, just as dehat bahihi आभास ब्रह्मणि विवेचिते. आभासश्च ब्रह्मश्च आभास ब्रह्मणि. तस्मिन् आभास ब्रह्मणि द्वंद्व एंड सप्तमी समास. आभास ब्रह्मणि. In the case of आभास चैतन्यम and ब्रह्म चैतन्यम, just as you have done analysis with regard to external objects, dehat bahihi, we have done this part analysis is outside the body or inside the body. Dehat bahihi, outside the part analysis you have done. Part analysis we have done for what purpose? Chidabhasa Brahma Bheda. To know the Chidabhasa and Brahman functions, to know that we have done the analysis of the external objects which are outside to the Deha. Outside. Dehat Bahihi. Bahihi means outside. Dehat Bahihi means outside to the body. Part is outside to the body. We have done analysis. 15 slokas, 16 slokas analysis. Purinji Puriyamane Kashtapatti. Epadiyo Sambhalichitam. Vidyaranya says, it's not over. Now come to Tadvat. Like that, Abhasa Kutasthau. When you are doing analysis outside external, Abhasa Brahma Vichara. Now, Abhasa Kutastha. That same Brahman, when you analyze inside the body, it is called Kutastha. Abhasa Kutasthau. Abhasascha Kutasthascha Abhasa Kutasthau. Abhasa Kutasthau Vapushvapi. With regard to body, in the case of body also, similarly, Vivichyetam. Vivichyetam is lot, karmani prayogaha, atmanipadi. Vivichyetam, lot pradhama purusha ekavachanam. Vivichyetam. Vapushi, vapushvapi. This also, vapush, also, sakarantaha, napumsakalingaha. Saptami, vapushi. That also, api, also you have to do vivichyetam, may you analyze. Next shloka. How we have to analyze? He says, now only tough task. Already part itself is a tough task. When it comes to the body and mind, it's very, very difficult. We'll manage. No problem for us. We are all advanced, no? Aham vrittau chidabhasaham कामक्रोधादिकेषु च संव्याप्य वर्तते तप्ते लोहे वर्णिर्यथा तथा वह्निर्यथा लोहे वह्निः. Once the iron ball, loha, iron ball is burnt. Lohe vanhi. It is like a fireball. You call it as a fireball. It is fully red. It is fully red. And that fire is fully illumining the iron ball. Lohe yatha lohe varnihi tatha. Just as there is fire burning the iron ball, where is that fire? Samvyapya, it pervades the whole iron ball. It pervades the whole iron ball. Like that, aham vrittau chidabhasaha. I thought, I thought, I am. Non-angara vritti. Non-angara vritti. Aham vrittau. Vrittau means on that thought. On that thought means I thought. On that I thought, aham vrittau chidabhasaha. Chidabhasa is there with aham vritti. Then only you are conscious of yourself. Without that aham vritti, you cannot be conscious of yourself. Even though you are self-consciousness, that higher I, lower I, that lower I, functional I, aham vritta means functional I. Vyavaharika I, lower I, aham vrittau, what are they? Kama krodhadikeshu cha. I have a desire. நான் அங்க வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே எனக்கு வேணும். I want. But I thought வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே I want comes. Want என்ன who want? want நான் என்ன want? Who is that? I want. எனக்கு வேணும். எனக்கு வேணும். நான் I am the desirer. Desire, kama, ichha presupposes aham vritti. நான் இருந்தாதேனே நான் எனக்கு வேணும்னு டிசைர் வரும். நான் இல்லை ஆனாலும் நான் எனக்கு வேணும்னு விருத்தி வருமா? நான் இல்லாமல் நான் இருக்கேன் அந்த விருத்தி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம்தான். That's why you say I am, I want. I am, I want. That I thought rise. That's it. The moment you wake up, what is the first thought, you know? The moment you wake up, I. Then what? I want. The I thought plucks all other desires. That's why catch that I thought. Catch that I thought. But we are all carried away by all external. Where this I thought is coming. That also is because of Chidabhasa. Aham vritti also Chidabhasa, illumining. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.